How can I identify the sender of an Amazon gift?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an intriguing question. How can you identify the sender of an Amazon gift you've received? While it might seem like a mystery, there are actually a few methods that could help you uncover the truth.
Check the gift receipt or packing slip.
When you receive an Amazon gift, there is often a gift receipt or packing slip included in the package. This is a piece of paper that contains details about the items in the box, and importantly, it may include the sender's name. This is the first place you should check, but remember, it's possible the sender chose to remain anonymous, in which case you won't find their name here.
Look for a gift message.
Many people choose to include a gift message when they send an Amazon gift. This is a little note that gets printed on a card or the packing slip. If there's a message included, you may be able to identify the sender from the content of the message. For example, they might sign their name or include a clue about their identity.
Use the "Thank you" feature.
If the above methods don't reveal who sent your gift, Amazon has a tool called the "Thank you" feature. Here's how it works. 1. Log in to your Amazon account. 2. Go to Your Orders. 3. Find the gift order and click on Order Details. 4. Click Send a thank you note. 5. If the gift giver has opted to share their details, their name and email will appear. Remember, this only works if the sender has chosen to share their information. Some gift senders may prefer to remain anonymous, and there's no guaranteed way to identify them in that case. Unraveling the mystery of who sent your Amazon gift can be a fun detective game, and using these methods, you might be able to solve it. If you can't identify the sender, it's likely they preferred to remain unknown. In any case, enjoy your gift. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching.